In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your Samsung phone Hotspot. So the first thing you want to do is go onto your phone and swipe down in the top right corner. Now once you're here, tap on this little line in the box at the top, and then you want to toggle on mobile data if it's not already turned on, and then tap and hold on mobile hotspot. Now once you're here, we're going to toggle it on at the top. Then if you scroll down, you'll see the network name for the hotspot, as well as the password, which you can easily change right here. Now, I also recommend you scroll down and toggle on Prioritize Real-Time Traffic. So after you've done that, go into your Switch 2, and we're going to scroll down and go to System Settings. Now in Settings, we're going to scroll down to Internet and go to Internet Settings. Now it's going to search for networks, and you should see your mobile hotspot appear, so you want to look for it. And then once you've found it, you can go ahead and select it, and then input the password you see on your phone, and then select OK. Now after you've done that, your Switch 2 is going to try to connect to the hotspot and then to the internet, and you're ready to go. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.